Hi there, welcome to the Upcycle Design Lab. If this is your first time here, my name's Cindy and I craft using recycled and repurposed materials to give you ideas on ways to make and create more economically and ecologically. Have you heard about Bead-able pens? They're a really fun, fast craft that you can make for party favors, stocking stuffers, or just for fun. To make these pens, you really only need two things. You need some Bead-able pens. I got mine on Amazon and I will put a link in the description box. And you need some beads. You can use purchased beads or handmade beads. If you've seen some of my recent tutorials, you know that I'm kind of addicted to making beads from the aluminum cans. You can make them in all different sizes, shapes. This is what they look like before you add any color to them. You can also roll them with the printed side out if you want to. I've done that in a few cases. But these are the beads that I've actually added some color to with some alcohol ink. And I have done a full tutorial on all of the bead making, which I will also link to in the description box. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how quickly and easy it is to put these Bead-able pens together. So this is what the pens look like when you get them, and you just twist them right at the silver band here in order to write with them. This little cap screws off and you slide the beads on, but one thing I did notice is that this rod actually can come unscrewed from the inside here as well, but it's very easy to put it back in if it does come undone. And once you get this little tip off, all you need to do are slide your beads on. And then you're just going to screw the cap right back on. And that's just how quickly they go together. One drawback that you might suspect comes with these pens is that there is not a lot of ink in them. And if you do unscrew the tip here, you can get to the ink. And you can see that this is much shorter than most ink pens that you would get. But you can also buy refills for these pens, which is what I did, since there is such a small amount of ink in them. So to switch out the ink, you just need to place the spring on the ink refill, slip it inside the barrel of the pen, and screw the tip back on. And like I said, I just think they make sort of a fun and quick stocking stuffer, gift for your workmates, party favors, or just to have a bunch of fun personalized pens for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube community. Check the description if you'd like to sign up to receive the Upcycle Design Lab newsletter, or click one of the links below for more upcycling projects. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you soon back here in the lab for my next experiment.